Hello friends, and today we are going to speak about Benjamin Franklin, but not just about this historical person, although I'm going to read a book about him, but about something he created, which is called Benjamin Franklin's list of 13 virtues. So what is it? So basically, as a typical European, I think, normally I'm trying to get better in something very tangible, like lose weight, which is good, but it's for me it's too European. It's like it's too low level, and I want to get better as a person strategically. So basically, what Benjamin Franklin did, he created a list of things he wants to improve in himself, which looked something like this. Okay. Yeah, like this, something like this. And what I did, I created a document where all those virtues are enlisted, and the virtues are temperance, silence, order, resolution, frugality, industry, sincerity, justice, moderation, cleanliness, tranquility, chastity, and humility. The idea is that every day you manage to, so you choose one virtue and then you go for a week, and every day you follow this virtue, you will leave it, but the day you fail you put an X. Okay, and if you have an X, you have to keep working on it. If your week was good and you followed the virtue, you can go to the next level. But if the next level has an X, you go to the previous virtue. And that's it. And your life goal is to get to the last one. And then when you get there, you go back. And that's it. This way, you improve on strategical level consistently. It's amazing.